Blykbaar het daman te veel laas Dinsdag gedrink.
Hy gooi tog sy het so 'n mooi glimlag gehad.
Is hy nie Chucky?
Nee.
Sy is daarom ongelukkig. Eerste verlose kind, nou nog dit ook. Ons moet hom maar bystaan.
Hoekom praat ons hier oor?
Nicole, is nie bekommerd oor haar.
Ons praat er al vir weke oor wat my probleme. Wanneer laat het jy nou eintlik saam regpraat? As van sit en skin en doen sleg iets.
Nicole, skat, alles gebeur op die regte tyd.
This is like, you know, first house.
Ricky, you don't seem prepared. So you're lying to my face right now.
No one disrespects boss.
No. I would never disrespect the boss.
Ricky, you're the one that came to me by joining the Big Pandas. And now that you're here, you think you're just a strong big man, huh?
No,
do you want to
no.
be part of the Big Pandas?
I do.
Bulge your top of this.
I do want to be part of the Big Pandas. I do. It's just, I want to prove myself to all of you guys. It's just that I'm a bit anxious.
Anxious.
Excited, anxious, very excited, anxious.
Good, because this heist is too good of an opportunity to...